So in this video, we are going to learn how to share WooCommerce products category-wise on different Facebook pages. Let's say you are running a WooCommerce store where you have different product categories, and for each of the category, you are running different Facebook pages as well. Now you want that whenever you create or add a new product into a specific category, you want to share a Facebook page post of that category as well. So if you're doing this, today we came up with an amazing automation for you. In this automation, whenever we are going to create a new product in our WooCommerce store, automatically on the basis of the category in which we are creating this product, we are going to create a post on the Facebook page for that category. Let's say if I create a product in the category of gardening, then the gardening Facebook page which I have, automatically a post will be created for that new product in that particular Facebook page. If I have a Facebook page for sports and I have a category of sports in WooCommerce as well, then using this automation, whenever I'm going to create a product in sports category of WooCommerce, automatically a page post will be created for the sports Facebook page. So if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as WooCommerce to Facebook pages. And then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow. Let's say I have selected this home folder and then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our WooCommerce account, our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we add a new product on our WooCommerce store, automatically the details of that product will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after receiving the new product details, we are going to decide that on which particular Facebook page we want to share the details of that product. So in WooCommerce as well, while creating the product, we have multiple categories. And on the basis of in which category the product is created in my WooCommerce account, on that basis, we want to decide that on which particular Facebook page we want to share the update of that newly created product. Let's say I have this first page, Facebook page named as Green Pro Landscaping, and the second page is named as Cycle Store. Now, if I create any product under the category of gardening, then in that case, I want that the details of that product should be shared as a post on this Facebook page. And if I create any product under the category of sport in my WooCommerce store, then in that case, I want that the details of that product should be shared on this particular Facebook page of Cycle Store. So we just took an example of 2 different Facebook pages, but you can set up the same automation for more than 2 pages as well. On the basis of the category of the product which we are creating in our WooCommerce store, you can basically decide and automatically share the new product details as a post on the Facebook pages. So we are going to set up a second step in that way. So let's begin and start with the first step, where in this trigger step in Choose App, we are going to search for WooCommerce. And we will be getting the details of the newly created product from our WooCommerce store inside Pabbly Connect. After selecting the WooCommerce app, here in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Product Created. Just select this trigger event. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. And after that connection, we will be receiving the details of newly created product in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So how we are going to do that? How we are going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect using this webhook URL? For that, we are going to follow the help text instructions given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to your WooCommerce account. So this is my WordPress site where we have added my WooCommerce store. So we'll just go to WooCommerce and we will go to WooCommerce settings. After coming to the settings section, go to Advanced And then under advanced, here you can see multiple options, out of which there is an option named as webhooks. Click on webhooks. After coming to the webhook section, here you can see a list of all the webhook URLs which we have added in our WooCommerce store. To add a new one, just click on this add webhook button and then just give this webhook URL a name. Let's say I want to give this webhook URL a name as Facebook. Then it is asking us for the status. So by default, the status of this webhook is disabled. We are going to change it and select active over here. Then it is asking us for the topic, that on happening of what event we want WooCommerce to send the details, send the data to this webhook URL. So under topic, we are going to select product created over here because we want that whenever a new product is created in our WooCommerce store, automatically the details of that newly created product should be sent to Pabbly Connect. Then it is asking us delivery URL. And here in delivery URL, we have to paste the exact same webhook URL given by Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the delivery URL, the webhook URL, just click on Save Webhook and it is done. We have successfully added this webhook URL in our WooCommerce store, and after adding this webhook URL, whenever a new product will be created in our WooCommerce store, automatically the details of that newly created product will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to do the same. Here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see we have received this response of webhook ID. This shows that the webhook is successfully added. Just click on this recapture webhook response button and click on yes. Then after that, you can see it has changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some data, some details of a newly created product from WooCommerce. So let's do this. We will go to a WooCommerce store and we are going to add a new product in our WooCommerce store. So here we have come to this add new product page. Now we are just going to enter the details of the product. Let's say I have a product named as lightweight cycle. So this is a product, a dummy product which we are creating, lightweight cycle. So this is the product name which we have given to this product, lightweight cycle. Then after that, we have to enter the product description. So let's say I want to add a product description that's just a dummy description that this is cycle for professionals. This is a lightweight cycles for professionals. We have added this product description as well. You can basically add any description of your choice. Then after that, on the right side here, you can see this option of product categories. And this is one of the most important steps. On the basis of which category we are selecting over here, on that basis, we are going to decide that on which particular Facebook page we are going to share these new product details. So here what we are going to do, we have to select a category. Now I have category as sports and also a category as gardening. Now I want that if the category of this product is sports, in that case, the details of that product will be shared on this page named as Cycle Store. And if we select the category of the product as gardening, in that case, we want that the details of that product or this product's post should be shared on this page named as Green Pro Landscaping. So right now we want to create a cycle. We are creating a cycle and I'm selecting the category of this product as sport. This means we will be sharing the post or the details of this new product on this page named as Cycle Store. Now here I have just taken an example of two different categories, but you can set up the similar automation for multiple categories, more than 2 categories as well. After selecting the categories, just add some more details of this product. Let's say you want to add the details like the product details, simple product it is. Then if you want to add some kind of price, you can add it. For example, the regular price is $15,999 and the sale price is $39.99, just some random pricing. Then this product is not taxable for now, so we have selected it. If you want, you can change the inventory details as well. Let's add a SKU for this product. And then we will scroll down. You can enter some other details like we have this product short description. So we are just copying this description from here. And after that, we are going to paste this description over here. After pasting the description, what we have to do, we just have to enter some other details related to that. Right now, all of these details are not mandatory, are not required, so we can ignore these details. What I'm going to do, I will be just adding an image to this particular product. So I have an image in my media library. I will just select that image and add the image of a bicycle for this product. After entering all the details of this product, just click on this publish button. And as we click on publish, just now a new product is added in my WooCommerce store and the product is successfully published. Here we have the permanent link of the product. Let's open it and here you can see this product has been added in my WooCommerce store. Now, after adding this product here, you can see this product is successfully created. And because we have connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received some response. And in this response, we will see the details of this same product which we have created. So the status of this product whose response we have received is published. Then after that, it is asking us for the slug. So this is the slug, this is the SKU, same SKU which we have entered. We have the short description of this product. This is a lightweight cycle for professionals. Then after that, here you can see the sale price and the regular price of the product which we have entered. We will scroll down. We have the link of the product, the permanent link of this product. We have the product name. We will scroll down further and we will see some other details related to the product as well. So we have this image name, we have the link of the image of the product, the same image which we have added, we have the link for that image. We will scroll down further and see some other details, like we have the complete description of this product which we have entered, then we have the date and time, and also we have this category, which is one of the most important response which we are going to use in this video. So on the basis of what category this product falls in, this product is created in, we are going to decide that on which Facebook page the product post will be shared. So the category is also received. Also, you'll scroll down and you will see some other details related to the same product as well. So here the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. So in step 2, on the basis of the category of the product, we have to decide that on which Facebook page this product post will be shared. So we are going to create multiple branches, multiple routes in this automation workflow. And on the basis of the category of the product which we have received from WooCommerce, whatever category it is mentioned, we are going to decide that using which particular route, the automation workflow will be continued further. Now to set up this kind of condition, we are going to use a feature or module of Pabbly Connect that is called router. So we will just scroll down, come to this actions tab, and we are going to select router over here. After selecting Router by Pabbly, in action event from the drop-down, select Conditionally Run and click on Connect. Now as we click on Connect, by default, 2 different routes are added over here. If you want, you can just click on this Add Route button and add as many routes as you want. So here we are just going to use 2 routes over here. So I'm not adding any routes, the first route and the second route. So what we want that if the category of the product falls under sport, then in that case, we want to share the Facebook post on this page named as Cycle Store. So we are going to name this route as, for example, Cycle Store, or you can name it as Sport. So if the category is Sport, then we are going to continue using this particular route. So what we have to do, we will just click on this Set Filter and Action Step button. And after that, the first thing it asks us is the filter condition. Now here we have to enter a filter condition that on fulfilling of this particular condition, only in that case, the automation workflow will be continued using this route. So what condition do we have? To continue using this route, we have a condition that the category of the product should be equals to sports. So we will just select the label. So under select label from this drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from WooCommerce of a new product being created. Out of all of these responses, we are going to select the response of the product category. So here we have the response category 0 name. Just select this particular label over here. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be sports. So here we have to enter the name of the category that for sports category, the category of the product is sports. In that case, we have to continue using this route. And you have to enter this value exactly as the name of the value which you have created for the category. So here what we have done, we have basically sports written in this way. We have this particular category. You have to exactly write that same name of the category in value. Now we will just click on Save and Send Test Request. And because we have connected this product whose response we have received under sports category, that's why it is showing us the condition is true. Now, after fulfilling this condition, what do we want? We want to create a Facebook page post. So we will just click on this plus button, and here in choose app, we are going to search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as create page post photo. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a Facebook page post using a photo. So we have selected that action event, then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Now, because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, we will see Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. Just click on continue, and then our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect over here, and the connection is successfully done. After connecting our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect, what we have to do in the next step, the first thing it asks us is the page. That it is most likely possible that on your Facebook account, you might have created multiple Facebook pages. On which particular Facebook page you want to create the post. We have to select that. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, I want that if this category of the product is sport, then in that case, the product post should be shared on this page named as Cycle Store. So I'm going to search for the same page, Cycle Store, and select that page over here on which you want to create the post for this product category. Then after that, it is asking us for the photo URL. So here we have selected the action event as create page photo post. So we are going to create a Facebook page post with photo, and we have to enter the URL, the link of the image which we want to share as a photo on this post. So we want to share the photo, the image of the product which we have added in our WooCommerce store. And here in WooCommerce responses received in the triggers tab, we have received the link, the image URL as well. So we are going to map that same image URL in this photo URL field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses received from WooCommerce of a new product being created. Out of all of these responses, we are going to search for the response of image, and here it is. Image is zero source. This is the URL. This is a link of the same image which we have uploaded. And we are going to select this URL, this image link, and we are going to map this link over here. In this way, whatever product image we are going to enter while creating the product in WooCommerce, with the same image, the Facebook page post will be created. After URL, it is asking us for the description, that what will be the description, the caption of the Facebook page post we are going to create. So let's say I want my caption to be, we have added a new product on our store. And then we are going to enter the details of the product, that product name, description, and also the link. So we are going to enter the purchase link of this product too. So my caption that I want is new product alert. We have added a new product on our store. We have the product name, description, and link. Now, instead of the simple description, instead of the simple caption of the Facebook page post, you can basically create any caption of your choice. And you can basically enter any detail of your choice as well. Like here in name, we are going to enter the name of the product. Now we will be using the same process of mapping. From WooCommerce responses, we have received the details of the product, and under those details, we had the product name as well. So from the WooCommerce responses, we are going to select and map this response of name over here. Then it is asking us for the description. So we have received the response of description too. So we will just scroll down and select and map the description of this product. Here it is. This is the description. Now, after mapping the description, here you can see there are some HTML tags in this description. So we have this anchor bracket P and anchor bracket close P over here in this description. Now, what we have to do, we have to basically remove these HTML tags from this description, from this text. Because if we don't do that, a Facebook page post with the same details, with the same tags will be created. Now you must be thinking how you are going to remove the tags from this description. For this, we are going to use another feature, another module of Pabbly Connect that is called text formatter. So what we are going to do, we will scroll up, and before this Facebook pages step, we are going to click on this add action step button over here. After clicking on this, here in choose app, we are going to search for text formatter. Just select text formatter by Pabbly. After selecting text formatter in action event from the drop down, select the action event as text basic formatting and then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, the first thing it asks us is the string. That what is the string, what is the text, what is the response in which we want to make some changes, on which we want to make some formatting. So we are going to map the response of description in string. So from the drop down from WooCommerce responses, select the response of the description of the product and we are going to map that. Here it is. Just select it and map the description. And here under transform from this drop down, we have this action, we have this transformer of remove HTML tags. Just select that and click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have the same description of the product received from WooCommerce, but the HTML tags from this description are now removed. So we can basically map this response. We can basically send this product description on our Facebook page post. So we are going to map this response received from text formatter without the HTML tag in the Facebook pages step. So we will just scroll down. Now because we have added a new step before this step, so we are just going to click on this refresh fields button. And after clicking on refresh fields, we are going to map the data. So we'll just scroll down and here under description, instead of the WooCommerce description, what we are going to do, we are going to directly map the description from the text formatter step. Just select it and map it. Then we want to enter the link of the product. So here what we are going to do, we have received the permanent link of the product as well. And here it is. By clicking on this link, the user can directly go to the product page of this product on your WooCommerce store. So we have basically added these basic details. We have created a caption like this. If you want, you can add some other details like the price, category, short description, all of that in this Facebook page post too. And after creating this description and entering the photo URL, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you will see we are going to receive some response over here. And yes, the response is received. After receiving this response, you can see this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the Facebook post is shared with these details on this particular Facebook page. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook page and we are going to refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see that just now a new post is shared on this Facebook page. The caption is new product alert. We have added a new product on our WooCommerce store. We have the name of the product, lightweight cycle, the same product name which we have given while adding the product in our WooCommerce store. Then after that, here you can see we have the same product description and the HTML tags are removed and we have the link of the product as well. By clicking on this link, the user will be taken to this particular product on your WooCommerce store. So in this way, you can see we have successfully created this automation to create a Facebook page post on this particular page. So the first route of this automation is completed. Now we have to set up the second route. And the second route is similar, but what we are going to change? We are going to only change the filter condition. So we can just clone this first route. Just go to this first route and click on these three dots and click on this clone button. In this way, the complete route will be cloned over here. So this is the clone route. And we are going to rename it as, for example, gardening. So we have given this route a name as gardening. Let me delete this extra route which we have. And here in this particular setup, in this particular route, what is going to change? The only thing which is going to change is the filter. Now we want that if the category of the newly created product in WooCommerce is gardening, in that case, what we want to do, we want this automation continued using this route. So here in this filter condition, the label is selected. We are going to select the label as product category. So just once again, select the same label. We will scroll down. And here it is. We are going to select the same label as category. The filter type is equals to, but the value this time is going to change and it will be gardening. Like if the product category of the new product is gardening, the automation workflow is going to continue using this route. And also on this basis, if the product changes, we are also going to change the Facebook page. So because we have captured the response of sports and we have added the filter for gardening, that's why it is giving us the condition as false. This means this filter is working perfectly fine. So we will just directly scroll down on what we are going to do. We will just scroll down, come to this Facebook pages, and we are going to change the Facebook page. Like if the product category is gardening, then in that case, we want to create a post on this Facebook page named as Green Pro Landscaping. So from this pages drop down, we are going to select the page. Just click on this refresh button once. And then from this drop down, we are basically going to search for the same. Select Green Pro Landscaping as the page and then keep the rest of the things same. If you want, you can basically change the description and the photo URL too. But we want to use the similar description, that's why we are not changing it. And then this time we are just going to click on save. And as we click on save, you will see this second route is also created successfully. And we are done here. We have successfully created this automation using which, on the basis of what is the category of the product, whenever we are going to create a new product on our WooCommerce store, automatically by selecting or searching for the category, a new post will be shared on our Facebook page. So if the product category is product A, then we are going to share the post on Facebook page named A. If the product category is B, we are going to share it on the page B. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. Once again, we are going to add a new product, and this time we are going to change the category of the product over here. So let's enter the product name as, for example, large shovel. Then let me add a description as, for example, this is a 1 meter shovel. So just I have added a dummy description over here. Then after that, we are going to select the category of this product. Let's say the category of this product is gardening. We are going to select this particular product. This means as per our automation, the post should be created on this Green Pro Landscaping Facebook page over here. After this, let me add some data like for general details. The price is $7.99. The sales price is $5.99. Then it is not taxable as well. Let's add the same short description and upload an image as well. So let me upload an image from a system for this. And here it is. So we have successfully added the image as well. So right now we have created a product in our WooCommerce store. Now let's click on this publish button, and as we click on publish, we will see this product is being published on our WooCommerce store. After publishing this product, we will see instantly, immediately within few seconds with the same product details, a post will be shared on our Facebook page. And the Facebook page will be decided on the basis of our product category. So last time we have selected the sports as the category and we have created a post on our cycle store Facebook page. Now this time we have selected gardening as the category, and this time we will see the Facebook page post will be created on this gardening Facebook page. So let's refresh this Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see that just now within seconds, a new Facebook page post is shared on our Facebook page. Here you can see on this particular post, we have the same caption, new product alert. We have added a new product in our store. We have the product name, the same product description which we have given to this product on our WooCommerce store. We have the same image and we have the link of this product. If we click on this link, it will directly take us to this product on our WooCommerce store. So here you can see the same product with the same price and details. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation on the basis of the category of the new product which we are creating in our WooCommerce store, we can share this newly created product in different Facebook pages. So if we have a category, we can have that particular category of products on sharing a post automatically on different pages. And if we have the category 2, then we can basically share the new product details automatically as a post on Facebook page 2. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.